Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you guys are here. I actually asked a few days ago on Instagram some, questions, or I asked you guys to ask me some questions. I was like, so what do you want to know? And these questions could have been questions personally about me, my family. They could have been advice questions. I actually saw some of those, I believe, on YouTube that I might touch on today. But today is going to be a Q&A with Tracy. So settle in, grab you something to drink, a little snack, and let's get on with this video. And I'll go ahead and apologize now just in case I actually say some of your names wrong. I do apologize, but let's get started. Sarah Millet 16 asked, do you like being on YouTube? Actually, I love it. I do. I don't know what it is. It's just kind of fun. I mean, we have a family vlogging channel. Most of you know that here. For the ones that don't, we do. That's kind of where our family channel got started. I love it. I love vlogging and being able to look back on the vlogs and kind of keep up with what my kids are doing and what they did and how big they're getting. So yeah, I definitely like being on YouTube. Amy Forever 55 asked, can you do an assumptions video? That's actually a really good one. Yeah, we should do that. I need to ask that maybe here on this channel, family channel, and also both Instagrams, and then maybe I can post it here or maybe on the family channel. I really don't know yet, but that would be a good one. So yeah, Amy, we definitely could do one of those. Briley_Ann_fan1 asked, what would you do if someone sent you an anonymous gift? I would open it and see what it was. We have a P.O. box, we do. I don't know if I have it listed here. I honestly don't even know if I've put it on the family channel. Is that sad or what? But we do have a P.O. box. I will leave that down in the description. But I would love if people would send us fan mail or, anonymously. You don't have to say who it's from, I guess. But yeah, if I receive something, I would open it. Tuxedo_Tabby asked, what is my favorite color? Oh wow. I love a lot of colors, okay? But I would say pink has been my all-time favorite, like my whole entire life. That has been my absolute favorite color. I love red. I don't know. I would have to say if I went with just one color, I would go with pink. Pink would be the winner. Danielle's Law asked, she said, any more food challenges coming up? And favorite vlog you did? Oh my gosh. Favorite vlog might be when we went to VidCon, or maybe our beach trips. I would say probably anything that has to do with us traveling. I love looking back at those, especially as like those times are coming up again. I love to go back and look at our past vlogs to see what we did during that time. Like, VidCon this year, unfortunately, it's gonna go virtual. It's all gonna be virtual. So with it being that way and online, we're not gonna be able to go to VidCon, but I love looking back at that because we went last year. It was the first time the kiddos flew, so that was great to capture on camera. And it was my first time flying in 20 years, okay? Had not flown in 20 years. My husband probably hadn't flown in, I don't know, I'm gonna say 14, 15 years maybe. So it was kind of exciting for all of us. And it was like a long flight, so we went all the way from East Coast to West Coast, and our first time in LA. So that was all exciting. So yeah, I have to say that was probably one of my favorite ones so far. I mean, I have a ton, but just to kind of give you one, probably be VidCon. And as far as the food challenges, have we done food challenges? I know I haven't here. I'm not sure if we've done any on the family channel. Is that sad? We don't do a ton of challenges. We do pick them every now and then, ones that I know the kids would enjoy, just to change the vlogs up a little. So maybe, I'm not gonna say there's not, so we'll just go with maybe. Haley in Gasa, oh my gosh, I probably just said that so wrong. Said, can you say, hey Haley? Yes I can, how are you? And she was asking, where is your favorite place to, and where is one of your favorite places you would love to visit? Okay, my all-time favorite place, oh wow. Because we don't travel a whole lot, I would probably just say going to the beach. Any beach, I love the beach. That's probably my favorite place. And a place I'd like to visit, oh my gosh. I don't know, I'm so bad. Okay, I'm gonna say like the Bahamas or a tropical island. That would probably be my favorite. I think I may have mentioned this in a past video, maybe not, I'm not sure, but I want to see that really blue water that is like see-through. There's no waves hardly. You can walk out and like see things swimming around you. That's where I want to go. So wherever that water is, that's the island I want to go to. That'd be pretty cool. Me and the kids have actually talked, and my husband, he's not so fond of the idea, but I thought about us taking a cruise one day, because then you can kind of hit up the islands, see different ones, and you know, actually have a traveling house to go with you. So I thought that'd be kind of cool, maybe a cruise in the future. I don't know. M_music_French asked, what's your favorite song? Love you all, love you too. This is bad, but you put me on the spot and I cannot tell you. I don't really have a favorite. I love all types of music, all genres, but to name one single song, I can't do it. So I couldn't answer your question, I'm so sorry. Lucky_Rose99 asks, what is your favorite reality TV show? Okay, the only one I watch right now, I mean, we used to watch like the Kardashians and stuff, but I really don't watch much TV at all. If I watch TV, you guys, if you follow me anywhere, I don't know if I've really mentioned it here too much, but I love movies. I'm more of a movies than a TV show person. I don't know, I just have a hard time sticking with TV shows unless they're already on Netflix, you can just watch them all at one time, then I can watch them. But the only really reality TV show that we watch every now and then, we record and I just kind of catch it when I can, is The Bates. I don't know if you guys watch them, they come on Up TV, so shout out to them. But I really love watching their family. They're just a really fun, genuine family. And that will probably be the only one I could say at the moment off the top of my head that we actually watch, and that's probably the latest one I've watched. Baseball Hero 51 asks, what's your favorite thing about editing and posting videos on YouTube? Favorite thing about editing, I love being able to add music to the vlogs. I know some people don't like music in our vlogs, some people do. As far as on here, I love to edit and I love adding things to the video. Sometimes I am in a hurry and I throw my videos together. Is that bad? I mean, I'm a mom of 3, we're busy, I'm constantly doing something. Even during the summertime, we're busy, we're constantly active. So sometimes my editing's rushed, but when I can really take my time and really put energy into a video, it's kind of rewarding to look back at that video you edited and can really see, like, it turned out good. Like, you get excited, like, oh my gosh, that zoom in looked really good. That was at the right time, Tracy. Or that funny music you put in was perfect for the clip, or the sad music you put in for a sad moment. I guess that's my favorite thing, is watching it back and really connecting with it and getting into it. And as far as posting on YouTube, I already answered that. Just being able to look back on the videos and kind of see how far we've come and just keeping up with what we have going on. And of course on this channel, I like to go back and kind of check up on some videos like, ooh, my makeup looked good in that video. What was that? Or, you know, what was in my purse, you know, 4 months ago? I mean, things like that, I guess. Meg K00 asked, would you ever get a Nintendo Switch, the one that goes on the TV? Okay, so I would. We actually had talked about getting one a couple Christmases ago for the kiddos, and they opted for a PS4. I believe Riley got that last year for Christmas. And that's what they wanted. They didn't want the Nintendo Switch. I, on the other hand, would rather have the Nintendo Switch. I guess it's a preference of what you like. I grew up with Nintendo. If you're from my generation, you know we had the whole Nintendo. That was kind of what I was used to playing. I didn't really get introduced to a PlayStation until much later. So I guess sticking with the old school part of me, I would say, yeah, I would get one for sure. 05KKM06 said, have you seen the show Heartland? Oh my gosh, going back to watching TV, I don't do a ton of it, unless it's a movie. So actually, I have not. I'm pretty sure it's great, but I have not seen it. So maybe that's something I can watch next. Now I'm gonna move on to some questions I got on YouTube. Allison Cox asked, what type of dogs do y'all have? Okay, Charlie is a Maltese Shih Tzu mix, so we say he's a Malshi, that's what he is. And Miss Charlotte, she is a Maltipoo, which is Maltese and Poodle. She has way more Maltese in her than Poodle, that's why she doesn't really have any curly hair, but that's what breed they are. Ashley Helms asked, Can Kayla tell us about her breakfast casserole and what she puts in it? Yes. I think I responded back on YouTube to you, but yeah, she's gonna do hopefully a video maybe on her channel about her making the breakfast casserole. It is really, really good. I think I know which one you're talking about, so for sure. Laura Elizabeth asked, would I do a video on relationships and dating advice? Whoa. I think that would be fun. I do. It would definitely be my own take, just kind of what I think, but yeah, maybe I could do one of those for sure. Anna's Drawing Channel said, hi, I have a question for your next Q&A video. How did you come up with your dog's names? Honestly, I really don't remember. Okay, so we were sitting around and we went and picked Charlie up. And before picking him up, we had came up with a bunch of names. I mean, like Henry. So I was like, I have no idea what to name him. And I like the name Charles, but everybody thought Charles might have been a little too formal. I still call him Charles. But we came up with Charlie. So I don't know, that's just kind of how it came up. And then when Charlotte came along, we were like, what can we name her that's kind of on the same line as Charlie? So that's kind of like how we came up with that. And for the longest time, and still to this day, Charlie will come when you say Charlotte. I think he just hears the very beginning and he thinks we're talking to him. But it works out. They know who they are, definitely. And we've actually came up with nicknames for him as well. So you might hear those thrown in some vlogs or videos every now and then. But yeah, that's how we came up with her name. Really was no math behind it or no really thinking. It was kind of like what sounded good. Charlotte's was a whole lot easier because we just went off of Charlie's name. So guys, that is the end to this Q&A, get to know me. I really don't know what I'm gonna title the video, but you already know because you've been watching. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave some questions down below because I'd love to do another one. These are fun. And like I said, it doesn't necessarily have to be questions for me or about me or my family. It could be questions about anything, even advice questions. And I will be doing that video soon about the relationship advice. I honestly don't know how much advice I can give, but I will do my best to try to make a video for it. But if you enjoyed it, like I said, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment, question, anything like that down below. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you're not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.